Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. I'm going to share a little tip on how to make sure your strings are properly seated in slot tuners. Okay, so we'll get our strings a little bit of a stretch. They're installed. They are in the ballpark as far as pitch goes. It had one light stretch. In case I have to make any other adjustments, I won't be compromising them. Here's where the fun starts. If you want to make sure that your strings are seated in these vintage style slot posts, this is your friend. A screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. All I'm gonna do is just push down and make sure that each string is properly seated in its relative hole. This is a fairly safe procedure, you know, take your time. And there you have it. So what that does is it takes the kink or the roll out of the string that's coming out of the post. Now, if I zoom in, you can see exactly what I'm talking about on this tuner right here. So now the wraps are nice and tight to the posts. And as you set your strings in, you want to pull them against the post a little bit here, okay, especially the heavier ones. That'll take some of that extra slack out of it. Press down over the nut. That will do the same job, and you'll find that your strings will hold the tune a little bit better, and it's all good, okay? Anyway, hope you get something out of that. My name is Steve. This is GuitarNiche. If you're new to the channel, thanks for coming out and watching this far. Read the description below for freebies. Visit GuitarNiche.com for more freebies. Play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers. See ya.